Hey everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we will make a delicious and hearty vegan meal, lentil and potato cutlets. These crispy, golden brown patties are packed with protein and flavor, making them perfect for a quick and satisfying lunch or dinner. They are ideal for making sandwiches or a condiment with your meal. So grab your apron and let's get started. Did you know that you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? On our website, you can also view the video as well as print out the scaled recipes. You can also adjust the level of hotness you like. This unique feature will help you scale the recipes to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe will make 12 cutlets. Let us now proceed to the recipe.
Take 2 cups of red lentils, soaked for 2 hours, in a dish. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of dried fenugreek leaves. Mix well. Use a chopper to grind finely. Add 1 teaspoon of pomegranate powder. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add 2 medium mashed potatoes. Mix well. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Add 3 chopped spring onions. Add 1 cup of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Apply a little oil to your hands and make small patties of the mixture.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pressing the bell icon ensures you are kept up to date on all new videos.
Take some oil for frying the patties in a frying pan. Heat on medium heat. Cover the patties with the breadcrumbs. Fry till golden brown, turning over in between. Once the patties are fried and nicely golden brown, remove them on a kitchen towel. Enjoy with your meal as a condiment or as a sandwich filler.